Can I touch your hair? When are you gonna do your hair? You should straighten your hair one day. How do you wash your hair? What do you mix with? How do you get your hair to do that? What kind of shampoo do you use? Is that your real hair? So you don't use shampoo? Can I touch your hair? Why do you have all of these products? When are you gonna grow your hair out? So you only use conditioner? Can I touch your hair? You look different today. You should straighten your hair more often. Can I touch your hair? You look like you've been electrocuted. I don't like your hair like that. How do you comb or brush it? I can't even imagine having hair like that. Why don't you just perm it? Can I touch your hair? So you don't wash your hair every day? So how does this work? Can you do that to my hair? Can I touch your hair?